Shin Ramyun from scratch. Everything. No shortcuts. This is everything. Is it better than the actual thing? Yeah, I made this myself. Is it worth the time? It's 12 hours of broth, 3 hours for noodles. The posam takes like 4 hours. Honestly, yeah. If you appreciate the journey of cooking, then it makes... Why am I trying to say some stoic bull? It's fucking worth it. If you like to spend time cooking and aggressively ambitious projects, this is the one for you. You're gonna watch me cook for myself. So we have about 1.5 pounds of chicken bones, 1 pound of chicken feet, 3 pounds of pork neck bones. This is a fucking leek. I'm gonna trim where the green meets the white. That's harder than I thought. So weak. Cut the root. Yes, there's fish heads in this broth.
That's what soup sounds like.
MSG.
Autobots, roll out! Roll out, roll out, roll out!
Shall we? Holy. I say holy shit every single time. More so of like, yeah. Oh my god. This is stupid. That was just fulfilling in every way possible.